This sweet girl is a French Wheaten Marin. She lays gorgeous chocolate brown eggs. This pretty girl is a Welsummer. She lays speckled dark brown eggs. This pretty girl is a National Chicken of Switzerland. Same with this one. This is my cream leg bar. She lays light blue eggs. This is our Barred Rock Winona. She lays tan eggs. This is an Easter egger. I'm not sure which color she lays, but they can either be tan, green, or blue. Splash right here is also an Easter egger. My wacky Polish, she lays white eggs. My Switzerland chickens also lay white eggs. Hi, sweet girl.